this time, of course, pertaining to a war of words between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, exit polls are forecasting a landslide victory for the BJP-led NDA, predicting that they will win more than 350 seats. However, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has dismissed these projections, labeling them as Modi media polls and fantasy polls. He's claimed that the INDIA bloc will eventually achieve their target of grabbing more than 295 seats. Now, the BJP has, of course, reacted to these comments. Meanwhile, they've also hailed the exit poll numbers, stating that it is the people's mandate and the people have reposed their faith in Prime Minister Modi. Meanwhile, the Congress, of course, has outrightly rejected the exit poll predictions, with other leaders such as K.C. Venugopal and Jairam Ramesh both asserting that the alliance will secure at least 295 seats, forming the next government. Before we, of course, go across to my colleague joining us, let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had to say yesterday.
इसका नाम एग्जिट पोल नहीं है, इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर, कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295।
All right, there, of course, you've heard what Rahul Gandhi has to say yesterday. The BJP has reacted to this, claiming that he is daydreaming. To give us more details, my colleague Anand Singh is joining us on the broadcast. Anand, merely a day is left till counting that is to take place tomorrow itself. Lots of reactions are pouring in from across the political spectrum regarding the exit poll predictions that had come in on the 1st of June. Rahul Gandhi has, of course, broken his silence. He has reacted to this, slammed the exit polls, called them a fantasy polls. Take our viewers through the war of words.
Yeah, Rahul Gandhi yesterday, when he came to the Congress party headquarters to attend a meeting of the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, who was holding a chat with all the Congress candidates across the country virtually. So after the meeting, when he was going back, he was asked by the media person that how many seats does the Congress expect from this Lok Sabha elections, as the exit poll have said that the BJP-led NDA could be getting around more than 350 seats. So while reacting to all these exit polls comments, Rahul Gandhi, who is also the former Congress president, said that the Congress will be getting around 295 seats. And he also asked the people that, have you heard the song of Sidhu Moosewala, the slain Congress singer who was killed last year in Punjab? So he referred to his 295 songs and he said that the party will get around 295 seats. And he also claimed that the exit polls are the Modi media polls and they are fantasy polls. And we would like to remind our viewers that it's not only Rahul Gandhi who has claimed that the Congress-led India bloc will be getting around 295 seats. It was Mallikarjun Kharge first on day before yesterday, when during the meeting with the India bloc leaders, after coming out with after the meeting of the India bloc leaders, he came out and then while interacting with the media, he said that the Congress-led India bloc will get around 295 seats. And the same has been reiterated by several of the Congress leaders that the Congress-led India bloc will get more than 295 seats. And even several of the Congress leaders have also hit out at the exit poll that has been projected for a landslide victory for BJP-led NDA. Back to you.
All right, Anand. With that, I would like to thank you for joining us live, sharing all those details. In fact, viewers, we've heard what Rahul Gandhi had to say earlier, but several reactions have also come in from the BJP with regards to his remarks. Let's take a look at these as well.
राहुल गांधी जी चाह रहे हैं कि वो जो एग्जिट पोल हुआ उसकी रिकाउंट होनी चाहिए। 2-3 सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं और आपके माध्यम से आपके दर्शकों को। इलेक्शन कमीशन का एग्जिट पोल के साथ क्या रिश्ता है? इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है देश भर में जो चुनाव होते वो करवाते हैं, एग्जिट पोल तो वो नहीं करवाते। एग्जिट पोल तो प्रोफेशनल एजेंसीज करवाते हैं। हाँ, ये सही है कि जो एग्जिट पोल आया है अभी, उसके जो डायरेक्शन है उसके जो आंकड़े हैं वो राहुल गांधी जी को नहीं पसंद, कुछ और राजनीतिक दल उनको भी नहीं पसंद। पर उनका क्या रिएक्शन? उनको कह रहा है, वो कहते हैं कि एग्जिट पोल के आंकड़े और जो सही माने में 4 तारीख को इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स आएंगे उसमें बहुत अंतर होगा तो फिर आप उस समय आप सही प्रूव हो जाएंगे।
There is no bar on daydreaming in India.
The exit poll is only reflecting the exact poll. We will cross 400 in Delhi and 40 in Bihar. Thank you.
कांग्रेस पार्टी लगातार झूठ का सहारा लेकर के लोगों के अंदर भ्रम की स्थिति पैदा करती रही है, परंतु देश के लोग नरेंद्र मोदी जी को प्यार करते हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो काम कर रहे हैं उनको प्यार करते हैं, और उसका परिणाम है कि आज जो देश ने कहा है कि अब की बार मोदी जी 400 पार, ये देश के लोग 400 पार सीटें दे रहे हैं, उनको तो 400 भी मजाक ही लगता होगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने काम तो किए नहीं। और जब काम नहीं किए, जब मोदी जी काम कर रहे हैं, लोग उनको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं, अपना प्यार दे रहे हैं, तो ये देश के लोगों का ही प्यार और आशीर्वाद।
आज मैंने राहुल गांधी को इतना गुस्से में देखा कि ऐसा लगा जैसे वो मीडिया से आज मारामारी करेंगे। वो एक बार आए, मीडिया से कुछ बोले, फिर चले गए, फिर अचानक पलट के आए। आंखों में ऐसा गुस्सा, ऐसे लगता था कि यहीं सारा कुछ निकाल देंगे, अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन। वाई आर यू सो मच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड राहुल जी? अरे एग्जिट पोल आया है, पहले तो आपने कह दिया डिबेट में कोई नहीं जाएगा, वहीं पता चल गया आप गए। लेकिन आप एग्जिट पोल करने वाले लोगों की मेहनत को कौन कितना समय जाता है, पूछताछ करता है। एग्जिट पोल आपको नहीं मानना है, मत मानिए, लेकिन ऐसा लगा कि आके बस हाथ छोड़ेंगे। सिक्योरिटी वाले ऐसे करके ले चले, अरे साहब छोड़ दो, ज्यादा नाराज नहीं होता, ऐसे लग रहे। कमाल है ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन राहुल गांधी का। ये बता रहा है कि राहुल गांधी अपनी जिंदगी में कभी भी सकारात्मक रास्ते पे नहीं चल सकते, न तो जनता की पसंद हो सकती।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.